Welcome to Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh, home to India's historic cheetah reintroduction. Here in the grasslands of Kuno, the world's fastest land animal has returned after more than 70 years. With a speed of up to 100 kilometers per hour, cheetahs are built for the chase. Slender bodies, long legs, and a tail that works like a steering rudder. In Kuno, they roam free, adapting to their new home, hunting deer and antelope with incredible precision. Watching a cheetah across the plains is witnessing the raw power and elegance in motion. These big cats are more than just predators. They are symbols of hope, conservation, and India's commitment to bringing back a lost legacy. The cheetah is back, and Kuno is alive with their wild spirit.
रिमूव करने वाला है।